When you think of T-Rex, graceful and nimble aren't terms that normally come to mind. This new study by Snively et al. Could potentially change that. Disclaimer, it hasn't been peer-reviewed yet, so some information may be subject to change. Also, check out how many big names in paleontology worked on the paper. Hartman, Henderson, Holtz... Wait, is there a pattern here? Anyway, the study went into open access in July and basically compares agility values of Tyrannosaurids to allosaurs and a couple of non-tenurans like Dilophosaurus and Ceratosaurus. An agility value is a calculated ratio of an animal's rotational inertia divided by muscle force and torque, so the smaller the number, the more agile the animal. Rotational inertia is how difficult it is for an object to, well, rotate. It's measured in kilograms per meter squared required to turn the dang thing. According to the paper, Tyrannosaurids as a group have low rotational inertia coupled with extremely powerful leg muscles that amounted to their possessing agility index magnitudes twice those of allosaurids, which is crazy. It was also suggested that their famously small arms actually contributed to their superior turn radii and maneuverability. Take that, Theropods, you probably couldn't turn worth a dang. 2 types of turning were examined, pivoting on both feet, like an about-face, or pivoting on one foot while moving. Tyrannosaurids proved quantitative superiority in both categories, and that was true for all weight classes. They doubled the agility of non-Tyrannosaurids with comparable masses when referencing larger individuals, and the gap between juvenile Tyrannosaurs and smaller Theropods was even larger. As far as the contest with differently sized Theropods goes, here's this statement. Comparing specimens of different body masses, Tyrannosaurids have similar agility values to those of other Theropods about half their size. So that's terrifying. They have all the raw power of an 8+ ton predator, but can move like they weigh 4? How is that remotely fair? Oh, speaking of fairness, I love this line. With respect to other theropods, Tyrannosaurids are increasingly agile without compromising their large body mass. Isn't that hilarious? The authors knew that the allosaurs and basal tenurans would feel bad, so they stuck that backhanded apology in there. I just think that's funny. For those of you who are interested, we also got some new mass estimates for various theropods. 9.1 tons for Sioux, 6.9 tons for Giganotosaurus, 5.4 tons for Acanthosaurus, and 678 kilograms for Ceratosaurus nasicornis. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like, and join the Ultimate Battles Discord server for more paleontology content. Vividen out.